Hey, what's going on, San Diego? It's Ben Bodie, owner of Incentive Solar, and we have the pleasure of working in the heart of San Diego. It's absolutely beautiful out here, and we are upgrading this amazing Mission Hills home with a brand new, sleek, high-efficient solar and battery system. So there's a lot going on here, and I'm gonna give you the full tour. Let's go upstairs. All right, San Diego, we made it to the top of the roof where the action is going on. We're putting these solar panels up, and this isn't just any system. This is a multi-level installation. We've got a QCELLS Qtron Black 425 watt G2 Plus solar panels going up. Again, this is 15.3 kilowatts using quick mount as the mounts here to hold the rails up for these panels on this flat roof, accompanied with Pegasus Skip Rail, giving this a very, very sleek look. Notice how flat that's coming. Yeah, so the contractor called us out here because they're doing a new home build, and that's what we do at Incentive Solar. Notice that we're using protection when we're walking on the roof. It's super important that your customer, which is now our customer, feels very safe. So give me a call, 858-952-0252. But hey, let's go downstairs real quick and take a look at what we're doing down there. All right, follow me. Okay, so we're back downstairs, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little bit about what we're gonna be doing down here to complete this solar and battery backup. So this homeowner went with 2 Tesla Powerwall 3s, and right now they're still boxed up. We're getting ready. We're prepping for a nice installation here on this wall. All right, now notice that we have our main panel with our Tesla backup switch already installed. So this backup switch is how this home switches from being on the grid to off the grid seamlessly with no delays, no interruptions, without a bunch of extra panel work. So if you look closely, this is your actual meter, and that's actually on top of the backup switch. And now everything in this panel right here is gonna get a full backup through the 2 Tesla Powerwall 3s that we're gonna place on this wall. So we've already routed all the electrical to this J-box, and we're getting ready for the installation here on this site. So that's how it's done over here. When we're getting Powerwall 3s, each one is gonna have 13.5 kilowatts, so 27 total kilowatt hours going at this house. We're splitting it between 2 inverters with the 15.3 kilowatt system. So this house is beyond protected from an outage, and more importantly, they're never going to get an electric bill. And that is why we go solar. So thanks for tuning in. And again, whether you're a contractor or just a homeowner, whether you're doing a solar addition or some kind of battery addition, give Incentive Solar a call. We've been doing this since 2013. We're a family-owned, veteran-owned company, and we could definitely help secure you the best battery and solar rebates and just help you navigate this very, very confusing electrical battery world. So give me a call. Again, my number is 858-952-0252, and thank you so much, San Diego, for being there for us. All right, see you later.